Your attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Ralph County in southern Mississippi until 1:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 1:07 a.m. Central Standard Time, a tornado-producing storm was located 8 miles east of Magnolia, or 10 miles southeast of Macomb, moving east of 40 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic storm will be near Town and Salem around 1:25 a.m. Central Standard Time. The storm has a history of producing a tornado in portions of the and Pike counties. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Motorists should not take shelter under highway overpasses. If you cannot safely drive away from the tornado, as a last resort, either park your vehicle and stand in your vehicle and lie down in a low-lying area and protect your city. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates. Your attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Forest County in southeastern Mississippi, northeastern Lamar County in southeastern Mississippi, until 1:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 1:09 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Oak Grove, or near West Hattiesburg, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Hattiesburg, West Hattiesburg, and Rawls Springs around 1:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. Petal and Sunrise around 1:25 a.m. Central Standard Time. Macedonia around 1:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 a.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Mississippi. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.